Okay, so today we are going to learn about the HR profiles. Just like our service now, we have the user table. If we'll type with the sys underscore user dot list. Okay, so we have 724 user records available in our ServiceNow user table. So user record is not a big deal for the HR person. Okay, they need that person human resource profile. So you can see if you click on it, view human resource profile for the able tutor, it will show you the HR profile records for that particular user. And these are vice versa updation. If you update any of the user table field to the user table, that will be getting updated in your HR profile. If you update anything in your HR profile side, that will be getting updated in the user table. Let me quickly show that thing. So this is the HR profile table record and this is the system user table record. Okay. So let's say you guys can see the department is showing product management in user table, and here the department is showing product management in the HR table also. Let me quickly change the same. Oh, it is not giving. me- Okay, just because of we again logged in with the HR admin profile only. Something, let me just check which you can change. Let's say email ID. Will it be able me to it will be allow me to update that email ID contact information. Yeah, email ID is here. Tutor at the rate example.com is here. I am changing it to the hotmail.com, and let me quickly save it. When I save this email, let me quickly check. See, here also in the user table, this email ID has been got changed. Okay. So now again from here, I will be changing it to the example. And let me quickly click on update. When I click on update, no, I can't change that thing just because of I do not have that admin access. I have only HR admin access. So whatever I will change from the HR side, that will be getting updated over there. And once the system admin will be changed the user details from here. So let me quickly impart in the impersonation of it. Okay. Let let's say I have been end the impersonation. So I have been logged in as a system admin now. So now I am trying to update something for this user. Okay, able tutor example. Now let me save it. So now if we change this thing, see now the email has been got changed to the from the hotmail to example.com. Okay. Now again I will impersonate as a system admin. Sorry, as a HR admin. Okay. Now I will search with the HR profile. If I click over here, we have in our system we have total, let me open the sys user table as well. Sys underscore user dot list. We have 724 user and only out of that 589 user have the HR profile. So rest doesn't have. But the interesting thing is they can still raise the HR cases from the HR catalog that I will be showing the later part. Okay. Once they will create that, automatically one HR profile will be getting created in our system. Now let's say for this person, Abhijit, he doesn't have the HR profile. That's why it is coming as create human resource profile. Otherwise, it will come as show the human resource profile. If I will click on the create human resource profile, it will be allow me to create a new human resource profile and I can update that. Let's say I know that he is single, okay, his gender is male. So we can update that thing manually, okay, and we can update that thing. And now if I reload it, previously it was 589, now it is 590. Okay. Next, if I will click on all, again I will search with the HR profile. So you can have the generate HR profile. Okay. And here, let's say in your organization, see it is showing profiles to be created. Means still 183% doesn't have the profile. Let's say in your organization, uh, 10 people is onboarded today. Okay. So system admin will be created their profile to the user table and HR will create that thing to the HR profiles. Okay. So you need to create those persons HR profiles in the HR profiles table. So you can search this way that created, okay, created on today. It will be redirected to that thing on today. If I'll be giving like this, see today we didn't create any profile. That's why it is coming like that. Okay, let's say I'm giving company is CA Technologies. We do not have any record, but company is null. In this case, we have 85 records and employment type. Let's say I'm giving full-time employee or part-time, and okay. Let's say all of these 85 persons are working as a part-time. So I'm selecting, okay, their employment type is part-time. We need to create. So if I'll click on the create profile, it will start creating the HR profiles for those 85 users, and it is creating the HR profiles. Okay. Creation 73% complete, 86% complete, and now 100% complete. Okay. If I'll click on the show profile, so now see, you guys can see this many profile has been created. Now this 85 user profile, sorry, HR profile. Okay. So this is how you guys can generate or create the multiple HR profile as per the requirement. Now, how many details I know manually as a HR, I can fill that, and rest of the things we can integrate this data with any kind of HR app like Success Factor, Miss SAP Success Factor, or any of the third-party tool. So the data will be come from there to here. Okay. And it can be vice versa. Once you can change something or update anything in ServiceNow side, that needs to be go over there. So it will be a bi-directional integration you can trigger or you can create. So we'll see that thing later. So this is all about the HR profile. Okay. Next, in the next session, we will be learn about the employee document management. Okay.